What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update. Man, it's good to be back on the grounds of the tow yard. Feel me, at the auction yard, man. The only auction that we have open during the week. It looks like they've been doing a lot of spring cleaning and having a lot of time on their hands, because it's never been like this clear and clean before. But furthermore, we do have a couple of cool, decent cars on the list. Sorry about the sale video from last week. It was posted, I recorded it, I was supposed to put it up, but it was no sound. So I was like, I don't really want to put it up there with no sound and just have you guys looking at a screen all day. I mean, I could do it, but I didn't really want to do that. So let's just get right into the good cars that we see here and check them out, shall we? Alrighty, guys, first up, man, we got a 2010 Nissan Maxima here. Looks like 175,000 miles. Does run and drive. The paint is faded. You're definitely gonna need a full-on paint job on this thing. It's nothing that a wax and a wash can get done, but you can pop open this hood real quick and see what's up. Nothing really looks out of the ordinary, but paint is faded. 175,000 miles on it. A Nissan Maxima does have black leather interior and stuff is in pretty fair condition. It does have like the purple black tint, but does need a full-on detail on the inside. I mean, if you have the inside looking nice, you can ride it with the outside looking like this, but you got to get that inside cleaned up. It is a 2010, so I mean, it's 10 years old. Not the oldest, not the newest, but it is pretty fair, man. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, we got a 06 Lincoln LS here, man. Pretty decent ride, 137,000 miles. Tires look all right. Not the best, but not the worst. Does have like some fake like vents up here on the hood. Huge like engine under there. I don't know if this is the V6 or the V8. I believe it is an 8-cylinder, but I mean, it is an old like Lincoln. I'm pretty cool on the Lincolns, but we can check it out. It does have some pretty decent beige leather interior, man. Does have the sunroof on this bad boy as well. Nothing too special, nothing that stands out, so that's a plus. It may be a pretty decent car here. It does have the tow hitch on the back, so you can actually tow a little trailer or something. Yeah, see, I was right. It does have the V8 in it, so if you want a V8 car, man, being cruising around in a 4-cylinder, you want a little bit more power, this might be the one for you. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. We got a 2011 Chevy Impala, 141,000 miles on the dash. First glance, it does look pretty cool. However, this headlight is a little bit more faded than that headlight, but we can pop open the hood really quick. It does have the V6. It does look like it's been tampered with. The airbox is not all the way mounted up. It looks like a bunch of like oil and stuff everywhere, but you do have an Impala 2011, 141K on the dash. If it runs good, you'll be in luck. You got a bunch of like gold tokens in there. Look like either maybe casino tokens or Chuck E. Cheese tokens. I don't know, but the inside is all right. Not the best. A little bit whooped in there for me. I'm kind of cool. And this one does take the Flex Fuel E85, so it is corn fed. If any of my race guys are watching the channel right now, you guys know about it. What you guys think about the 2011 Chevy Impala, man? Let me know in the comments below. Oh man, we got a cool little mini me here, man. We got a 2012 Fiat 500 here, 87,000 miles on the dash, man. My auntie got one of these cars, but like in red. This thing is a pretty cool little car, man. Pretty cool little car. We can just pop the hood while it's staring us in the face. A little Fiat motor. I believe it's like a 4-cylinder or a 2-cylinder. I'm not really sure, but it does look pretty fair. It does have like some nice little wheels on it. Nothing really that stands out. Can take a quick look at the inside. 87,000 miles on the dash. Looks like it has brown and cloth type leather. It does have some back seats, believe it or not. Brown leather. Could use a detail. Pretty fair of a ride. What y'all think, man? Let me know in the comments below. Pretty nice little car, I think it is. I wouldn't mind bidding on it. We got a 2015 Dodge Dart here. Looks like 61,000 miles on the dash. First glance, it doesn't look like nothing is wrong with this thing. Pretty nice year, pretty nice miles. It may even, I think it might be out of warranty by now. But under the hood, it does look pretty good. It doesn't look like nothing has been tampered with or anything like that. Seems pretty legit. 61,000 miles. Got a little scrub right there, no big deal. You can probably get that off with like a clay bar of some sort. It's been sitting in rain. Apparently the rotors are like super rusted. If we take a look at the inside, man, interior is what, man. A female had this car and just dogged it. Like, this is crazy. Like, look at all this stuff. Just dirt, gunk. So I'm sure, judging by the inside, they never really got an oil change or nothing like that for the most part. I'll just check out the back for you real quick. You guys just see it's just filthy, dog. Like, I don't understand how people treat their cars like this, but I don't know, better them than me. You're gonna need a new tire on the back. This one is pretty low. It looked like they was riding around with the tire flapping on the side for a while before they actually changed it, but no big deal, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Alrighty, so we seen the 2015 Nissan Maxima last week. This was here. It sold online for like $3,600 or something like that, and they obviously didn't come pick it up. So it's back here, 162,000 miles on it. Definitely was an Uber car or something like that, because it does have all the airport tags and all that stuff to be able to go to the airport if you're an Uber driver. If you know anything about that, this seat is super up and it has a bunch of space in the back, just like an Uber driver would drive. So I don't know if you guys want to take over an old Uber car, because they was probably driving the hell out of this car. But I mean, it's a Nissan, so if it checks out, you might have something good on your hands, though. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. We got a 2012 Nissan Sentra here. Looks like 92,000 miles on the dash. First glance, it does look all right. However, we have a dummy tire on this wheel, unfortunately. We do have like some scrapes on the side, which you may be able to get off with a little bit of elbow grease if we pop the hood on this bad boy. Where is it? If we pop the hood on this bad boy, it looks like it was antifreeze or something that squirted everywhere. It's a bunch of little like specks and stuff, so it's either oil or antifreeze. But 92,000 miles, Nissan Sentra. Inside is pretty decent. Yeah, it looks like they had a dog or a cat up in here, like just sitting up in here every time they got in the car. No big deal though. I mean, nothing that really stands out. Seems pretty fair in the back. Definitely better than that Dodge Dart, that's for sure. But Nissan Sentra, man, the back of it is completely good. So you just need a wheel, and you should be good with that. You can probably clean up the front, but other than that, what you guys think about it, man, let me know in the comments below. We don't want the 2008 Chevy Cobalt with a bad motor. We don't want the little Honda with 241,000 miles and the spray painted back window. How does that even look in there? Yeah, I'm kind of cool on that, but if you guys like it, man, I love it. Got another Jaguar here. This one actually it's a 2003 Jaguar, 108,000 miles. This driver window is busted out. I don't see no bullet holes in the door. And I don't see no blood, so I don't know. Maybe they just locked something in the car and had to break it. But 103,000 miles, all-wheel drive. Really don't want to take a chance on a Jaguar, man, because that's going to be a pocket killer. Especially now, of course, when nothing is selling. Oh, and speaking of selling, I sold the Saturn yesterday, guys. So the Saturn is out of there. It's time for another buy. But what you guys think about the 03 Jaguar, let me know in the comments below. The 03 Volkswagen little Passat was here last week, along with this Impala. We don't want the Fast and Furious Mitsubishi, I'm sorry. We don't want the Malibu, Taurus. say 153,000 miles. It's a 2001, but the back of it is super whooped. Super whooped, so I'm gonna be good on that one. I'm actually really good on the old school 89 Nissan. The Honda with a bad fuel pump. Don't want the Camry. Does run and drive 137,000 miles, just not my flavor. We got another limousine here, man. Last week it was a black one. This week it is a white one, man. We got a 99 Lincoln town car here. Limousine, 190,000 miles. 190,000. We could take a look at the front seat real quick. No seat over there. Maybe that's for extra luggage. You got a phone down there to make a call to the back, which we'll be checking out right. Okay, maybe not right now, but right now. Okay, bet. So you guys see the inside of this limousine looks really cool in here. However, you do got some taped up seats right there. I mean, it is like a 01, so Lord knows how many drunken nights they had in this thing on the Las Vegas Strip. But if you want a limousine, man, you got the sunroof in the back. Got the leather top, but it's cracking. Let's see. It looked like 2 alternators on that joint, dog. I ain't never seen that before. Anybody know about the limousine having 2 alternators? Never seen it before. What y'all think about it though, man? Let me know in the comments below. We don't want the Acura MDX with 153,000 miles. Even though it's nah, I'm good. The inside of that thing look whooped, dog. We're gonna keep it moving. I don't want the Ford. Don't want another Ford. Still don't want a Ford. And I definitely don't want a Buick. And definitely don't want that Cadillac. Moving along. Yeah, they don't really got too many options here today, guys. I'm guessing they're just getting rid of all the junk and stuff while they can and just saving all the good cars to when, you know, everybody gets some more money and they can start doing more auctions in person. But nothing here really excites me. So I think that's going to be a wrap for today's video. I don't really even like the Commander. It's got 187,000 miles. I think I'm kind of good on that. So alrighty guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you're wondering what any of these cars sold for, I guess I'll drop the link below and you guys can check it out with me. So with that being said, man, I'll catch you guys on the next one. I hope everybody's out there still safe and doing what they're supposed to do to help our country out, man. I know a bunch of you guys are going to be like, man, where's your gloves? Where are your gloves? If you guys don't even know how to wash your hands, what's the point of having gloves? It's like you're gonna touch everything. It's just wash your hands. Simple as that, but it is what it is, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.